I can bring her up a bit more if you want. Yeah, that's good. Yeah, and she should kick along. Craig just told me to frig the video. He'd rather get on with the speeding of the boat. And yeah, so we're kicking up a bit now. He's moving along, which is good. And there's a lot of people here camping over on the other side here. No, because you've got the, you've lifted the motor up and you're kicking up the front of the boat.
On the back.
Yeah, but if you kick it up past this, you should plane out. There she goes. Well, that's better. And here we are. It's been fantastic. A beautiful day. Look at it, still in t-shirts. And we're in Ballarat, for Christ's sake. It's perfect conditions here. Yeah. I think Craig said he might go fishing here at one stage. I think they like carp here. Carp is their staple diet, and I believe they love it here. Even though they're full of bones, they absolutely love it. Yeah, and that's about it. I have to say that coming up here to Ballarat and to be brought here to Lake Burrumbeet has been one of the highlights.